Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. In this case, I have to show you how to check the data usage by your Wi-Fi in your Oppo A16. So first of all, you have to go to settings here, go to your Wi-Fi option in settings. Now go to advanced settings here and go down and search for the Wi-Fi data usage here. So click on it and you have any information about from the date, how many you spent the transfer in your Wi-Fi and what application have biggest usage in your phone. That's it. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe and see you by next video. Hey!